10 by 10 centimeters of sheet, which you need to fold it into a diagonal fold, which will make a triangle. Press the fold and unfold it. Now hold the sides of the diagonal formed and then fold on the other side and make the second diagonal fold. Press the folds and then again open it up. Now you need to join all the four corners towards the center point and make 4 triangles. Yes, the first one, then the second. Make sure they do not overlap each other. Press each one of them and this will form a square. Now turn it at the back and now you will see a plain side. Now you need to fold 2 triangles. Yeah, from this one from the left side and one from the right side. Make sure it forms a pointed part on the top. Now you can see a small triangle at the bottom. You need to fold along this part and make a small triangle. At the back you will see a plus sign between both of 4 folds, and you need to fold it along this horizontal line and make one bigger triangle at the back. Yeah, so this is the part which you need. The last fold is left. First of all, just check you have this fold, like the triangle, the bigger triangle, and you have a smaller triangle at the back. Now you need to hold 2 of its sides and you need to fold it at the back with bigger triangle at the front. Press the folds and join 2 of the smaller triangles and make sure it is a pointed one. So you need 11 such parts for that. Thank you. Should we start the next step? We have 2 triangles here and we have this triangle at the back. You will have 2 holes at the back of one of these triangles. You need to hold this part and join it in like these 2 triangles. You need to put it inside this hole and join it from here like this. I'm repeating it one more time. You have this part, right? These holes, 2 holes. You need to put a triangle. One on each hole you need to insert it and join it on the top like this. आपको हर पार्ट में I've already told how to join it, right? आपको ग्लू लगा के ज्वाइन करना है हर पार्ट के अंदर. जैसे इस होल के अंदर ग्लू लगाना है और इस होल के अंदर 1 ड्रॉप ग्लू, और इन दोनों पार्ट्स को ऐसे ऐसे इसके अंदर ज्वाइन करके ऐसे ज्वाइन करना है, राइट? ऐसे ये वाले इसके अंदर भी 2 होल्स हैं. You have to put the other part. You have 11 of them, right? You need to join, put it inside, put some glue, put it inside and join it like this. Okay, you need to form a circle by joining all the 11 parts. When you join 5 of them, it will form something like this, and you need to join all 11 of them. This way, okay? When you join, it will form a circle. Make sure you put the glue in each of these holes to join 2 parts. So take the sheet of 20 by 5. You have 20 by 5, right? You need to fold it. Either you can put your pen or pencil inside it and fold it like this, or you can like freely fold it and roll it around and form a stick like this. You need to fold it and make sure that the stick is not that thick. It has to be a little thinner one. So at the end of the stick, put some glue and join it. Like you need to have this stick like this. Okay. And now what you need to do is, you will have one strip of a quilling strip. So you have this quilling strip. what you need to do is you need to put some glue on this strip and you need to roll it till down like this. You need to roll it with some space along this strip, okay? Yeah. You need to have just one quilling strip and roll it till here. Like till the bottom part, you need to put some glue first and you need to roll it along this stick which we've already made and make a stick like this, okay? You need to roll it till down. This way. And you need to paste it till the bottom. It has to be till the bottom, okay? So this is your stick which is ready. And when you'll be done with all the parts joining each one of them, it will form a circle something like this. Okay, you need to join all the parts and you need to form a circle. And when you're done with the circle, what you need to do is, the stick which you have made, you need to paste it at the back, like this. Put some glue on the top part, like around 2 to 3 centimeters till here. And you need to put some glue and you need to paste it at the back like this.